Hello mga Megs! Welcome to my channel. This is Miss Lucky Girl. This is my first vlog. So, ang isipan ko sa unang vlog ko ay ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mawala yung pimples, wrinkles, at makinis ang inyong mukha. Ito po yung ginagamit ko, Blooming Health Beauty Skin Renew Set. Ito po siya. Ito po yung mga laman niya po. Blooming Kojic Soap. Ito. Next, Blooming Skin Renew Toner. Blooming Sun Protection Cream. Yung isa, Blooming Skin Renew Cream. Ito pong Blooming Sun Protection pang umaga po to. Itong Skin Renew Cream pang gabi. Bago kayo matulog, i-apply nyo po. Tapos, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano to i-apply sa mukha. So, let's go!
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
Few moments later.
So, ayun mga Megs, nakita nyo naman, makinis na yung mukha ko. Mabibili nyo po to sa online, Lazada, Shopee. Mura lang to, kaya bili na po kayo mga Megs. So, thank you mga Megs. Sana makatulong sa inyo ang tutorial video ko. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa bagong video ko. Bye!